Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this topic or in this video we are gonna see about how to find the data type of variable using a function in Python. So this is the last topic of the third chapter. Next we'll be continuing with the fourth chapter. So let's see how to find the variables data type using Python code. So just one slide, that's all. So see, you have to use the function type. So if you want to know a type of the variable, this we know it's in integer variable, integer data type, right? Yep, this is a float data type, this is a string data type. So if you want to know the data type of a variable, you can just type the keyword type, type of a, where a is the variable or can be any variable. So in this example I'm using a b c h i l s t. So a is a integer variable, right? Because we are storing the integer 15, which is a whole number. And when you are printing type of a, we are getting int. And why is it called as class? It's called a class because every objects need to have a class, right? And Python considers list, int, character, strings as object. They are considered object because they are coming under a class called int. So int is a specific class which is pre-developed by Python developers, and that's why we are able to simply use the word int or simply use the word character chr or simply use the word string, like converting from int to float, because there is a class called int, there's a class called float, which is developed by the Python developers, and we are using it. That's why you are seeing this word class. So this is derived from the class int, right? This int. So in the next statement we are seeing float, and here character full of strings, and I have typed two times because sometimes we may think this as a character. Yes, it is a character, but Python there is nothing like character data type. There is only string data type. For example, in Java or in C++, there is a data type called char, which is only for single characters. Like for example, C alone, or maybe another special character. There's a data type called char, but in Python we don't have char data type. We have only string data type. So here is a list, tuple, and sets. So we are printing the type of b, that is a float data type, we are printing ch, string, and again we are printing char, which is also of type string. Next we are printing list, and the type of this way lst is list, and the data type of tpl is tuple, and data type of s is sets. So that's how you find the data type of variable using the function type in Python. So we have completed the chapter 3, and now let's move to chapter 4 from next video onwards. So happy learning and have a great day. Bye.